Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. My name is Wisdom, and today I want to guide you through a spoken English practice that will not only improve your fluency, but also build your confidence. Forget about the fear of making mistakes. In fact, mistakes are your greatest teachers. Every time you mispronounce a word, every time you pause to think, your brain is growing stronger in English. So relax, breathe, and let's enjoy this journey together. Repeat after me. I can improve my English every day. Speaking English is not difficult when I practice often. Mistakes are part of learning. I will speak with confidence, not fear. English is a tool, and I am learning to use it well. Good. Say it again, this time faster. Feel the rhythm of your words. Notice how your tongue and lips move. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking smoothly and naturally. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Listen to this. Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name? Hi, Sarah. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Nigeria. And you? I am from Canada. Do you live here? Yes, I live here with my family. Now, change the names. Don't say Sarah or Daniel. Use your own name. Use your country. Imagine a real conversation. That's how you train your brain to think in English, not in translation. Let's move to another moment. You're in the market. You see fresh tomatoes. You ask, "Excuse me, how much is this tomato?" The seller replies, "It's 500 naira for one basket." You smile and say, "That's a little expensive. Can you reduce the price?" The seller nods, "Okay, I can give it to you for 450 naira." And you say, "Thank you. I will take it." Can you feel how natural that sounds? Everyday English is not complicated. It's about simple words spoken with clarity. Practice it again, this time with rice, bread, or fish. Play both roles, the buyer and the seller. That way, you're training both your listening and your speaking. Now, let's practice some useful expressions. Repeat after me. Could you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain? That's interesting. Really? Tell me more. I agree with you. I don't think so. Let's meet tomorrow. Can I help you with that? I'm looking forward to it. Sorry, I'm late. Say them again with emotion. Imagine you're happy, surprised, or even serious. English is not just words, it's feelings. When you put emotion into your voice, your English sounds alive. Now, let's play with pronunciation. Try this tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Say it slowly, then faster. Again, feel your tongue working. Another one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And one more. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Don't worry if you get stuck. Laugh at yourself and try again. That's practice. Let's imagine some real-life situations. You're at a restaurant. Good afternoon. I would like a plate of fried rice and chicken, please. Can I also get a bottle of water? When you finish eating, thank you. The food was delicious. Now, imagine you're making a phone call. Hello, this is your name. May I speak to Mr. James? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Thank you. I will call back later. Or maybe you're lost in a city. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the bus station? Is it far from here? Thank you very much for your help. Every time you practice like this, you are creating real situations in your mind. And when the real moment comes, your words will come naturally. Here is a secret routine for you. Every single day, read something in English aloud. Record your voice. Listen to it. Role play a short dialogue. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing right now. Say, I am cooking rice. I am cutting vegetables. I am washing the dishes. At night, learn 5 new words and use them in sentences. This is how fluency is built, not in one big step, but in small daily habits. And now I want you to repeat some affirmations with me. Say them clearly, loudly, and with confidence. I can speak English. I am improving every day. English will open new opportunities for me. Feel the power in those words. You are not just learning a language, you are building a new future for yourself. Fluency is not a dream, it is a decision, and every word you speak brings you closer to that goal. So keep going, keep speaking, keep practicing. Don't stop because of fear. Don't stop because of mistakes. Don't stop because it feels slow. You are growing. You are improving. And one day, without even noticing, you will open your mouth and speak English fluently, confidently, and beautifully. This is Speak Fluent English, and I am Wisdom reminding you. Practice daily, believe in yourself, and your English will flow like water.